Welcome to Brimfield Antique Market in Massachusetts. This is our first time here. It's amazing. We're super excited. We're also here with Barkeeper's Friend, so that's super exciting for us. And we're able to talk to people all over the market all about it. But we're learning a lot about this, and there are a lot of different fields that you can visit. There are tents with all these beautiful antiques. It happens 3 times a year, May, July, and August, or September. And it's just amazing, and it's just such a cool event, and we've wanted to come here for so long, so it's so cool to be here.
So we drove in from the city 2 days ago. Yesterday we had a full shopping day. We were rained out. It was quite the experience. But today the sun is out and we have our shopping shoes on. We have our cash ready. That was the #1 tip that we received as we were coming here, is bring cash. So come with us to Brimfield Market. So something that we were not anticipating, but we actually need, are office chairs. We got a new studio space. Our chairs, we are a growing team and we need more chairs for everyone to sit on. And these are beautiful and I love the lines on these. Just some cleanup here, but this is something very easy and I think they're just great. So one thing I really love about this space is that everything is kind of spaced out and it's not too overcrowded, which really allows me to see all of the full pieces. This lamp I think is really cute. I haven't seen anything like this, and I love the hand-painted things going on the shade over here. But I also really love the sizing of these mirrors. They're perfectly scaled for either over a fireplace or just above a vanity and maybe a bedroom. And I really have my eye on this arched one. I love the wood casing around it. Okay, I just came across this really beautiful booth. And what is your name?
Noah.
How long have you been selling at Brimfield?
This is my 3rd year.
Nice. And do you collect year round?
Yeah. Anywhere I can, all the time, every day of the year.
Are you based in Massachusetts?
No, I'm in South Florida.
For someone whose first time it is at Brimfield, do you have any advice for me?
Don't be worried about getting there first. You know, there's tons of things, there's tons of items here, and don't be afraid of the weather.
Yes. Thanks so much. Yeah.
So we're always on the lookout for things that we can reupholster. So instead of looking at the fabric, we're looking at the lines, we're looking at the size and the shape and the comfort. And these tick all of the boxes except for the upholstery, which is totally fine, because if we put a different fabric on these chairs, they'll fit perfectly in one of our projects.
You want to carry cash with you at Brimfield. We took out our budget. We also are negotiating like crazy. I am much better at this than Barry is, and I love negotiation, I love a bid war, and we are doing everything to get the price as low as possible.
Hi, we're Jordan and Barry, better known as the Brownstone Boys.
On this channel, we'll take you behind the scenes into our renovation and restoration projects all over New York City and beyond, and we'll tour completed projects from top to bottom.
And invite you to join our crazy lives along the way. So subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and we'll see you there.
So I'm really excited because I've been seeing a lot of furniture, but something you might not know is Brimfield has a lot of clothing, really great vintage clothing. Yeah. And your space is so beautiful.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Tracy of Tracy Loves Vintage, and I have a collection of modern and vintage items. I'm really all about vintage vibes. So I really appreciate vintage clothing and the quality that comes along with it.
100%.
So it doesn't mean I don't have new stuff, but it's usually, it's got to be well made. It's my first Brimfield.
Oh, nice.
So, you know, I'm feeling out what I should bring and how I should set things up. So I started a little small. I didn't do one of the big tents. And I hope that if you make your way to Brimfield that you have a fabulous shopping experience.
Okay, I had to stop here because this is one of my favorite spaces. Congratulations. What is your name?
My name is Bo. My fiance Adam and I run our shop called Reject Archive.
Love it. And where are you guys based?
We live in the Catskills in upstate New York. We're in a really small town. We just run this out of our house. So we have like a vintage room basically. It kind of takes over the house, but we have a room, we have a sewing studio, and we mostly just do pop-ups, and we have a website. We sell online a lot.
As someone who is a virgin to Brimfield.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you. What is your piece of advice?
My piece of advice is to wear comfortable shoes.
Got it.
I've tried to be cute. I've tried to wear like the fry boots or the harness boots, and I'm like limping by the end of it. So bring cash. Plan to spend more than you brought.
Yep.
So we're always looking for items to make a space more unique, and how great is this? We just think this would be the perfect unit for a powder room in Brooklyn because they're very narrow and this could go against the wall. It's got everything you need. You have your sink, your faucet, you have a place for soap, you have a place for a candle, this really cool vintage mirror. It does need some plumbing reworked, so that's an important piece, but we just think this would be such a perfect piece to be in a powder room.
Who doesn't love a classic Eames chair? This one is in perfect condition.
This is there's some amazing stuff in here. It's so cool. These are old phonographs, and there's so many of them. They're all perfectly restored. They're all beautiful. And this is just the kind of thing, it's like you didn't know you needed it until you see it. We couldn't pass up this opportunity because we're loving so many things in this shop, and you're packing up right now, so
yeah, we're in a bit of a disarray.
We're getting good deals.
Disarray, yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Courtney.
Courtney, where are you from?
We are from Toronto. We are Bon Choice. Toronto, Canada. So we make a lot of patience, good shoes, good appropriate weather wear. And just know that there's always something probably beyond in the next 10. You just got to put in those long days and long steps, big steps.
Love that. Thank you. And
this chair,
we're buying this chair.
And the gorgeous screen I was talking about earlier.
Beautiful pieces. I'm happy we haven't packed them up yet.
I'm so excited. They're going to very good home. Just need to work out some logistics how to get them back to
Right.
Brooklyn. But thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was great. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. All right, let me go. Another takeaway that we learned is every booth pretty much has a box truck, and you really need to get into the box trucks to see what other inventory they have, because sometimes hidden gems are inside the truck. So don't be afraid to ask the vendor to go in the truck to look at the other inventory.
Some really unique stuff here. This place is all ship salvage. There's all these old ship parts, and they would just make really unique pieces to have around your house, or even sconces. So, these were off of a ship and would make just a really beautiful outdoor sconce. I love it.
All right, I feel like I am here with a celebrity.
Oh, please.
Finally-
You guys are more of a celeb than anybody.
We finally get to meet Jim from Old Good Things, and we've been sourcing from Old Good Things for years, but finally have the pleasure of meeting him in real life and seeing the beautiful booth here in Brimfield. Jim, gorgeous booth.
Thank you.
How long was the setup for you?
Oh boy, we were out here a couple days setting up.
Nice.
How long have you guys been exhibiting here? How many years?
This is our 31st year.
Oh, 30
gosh.
years.
31 years.
That's more than I am years old.
That's not true. That's not true. What's like the one piece of advice that you would give to someone who's first time or hasn't had the pleasure of coming to Brimfield?
Come early.
Good
Wear,
advice.
wear comfortable shoes.
Good advice.
Be here on Tuesday, really. Tuesday for the opening.
Okay.
Oh yeah. And the weather really makes or breaks it. So, but you can't trust the weather forecast. So you just gotta come. Yeah.
So I have my eye on this table over here that
this
we
little
are
console?
contemplating actually bringing home with us back to Brooklyn. What is the story about this?
Well, this is what they call a demi-lune, as you probably know. It's half round. Demi-lune is actually half moon, but half round console. This is bronze, I believe, and iron, and it's just great workmanship. I don't know who made it, but this is cast bronze, great patina.
Yeah.
But it has a mirror. Let me grab the mirror.
Oh, amazing.
It's got some.
These pieces go
Ooh.
together.
Oh yeah. This goes above it.
Oh, that's beautiful. All right,
So,
I
you
feel
got
like we
that
have to
side?
get both of these.
So yeah.
I kind of love him.
All right, so we are in another booth that has some really great furniture pieces. We're eyeing these chairs over here. They might be coming home with us. But tell us your name.
Chris Goodman.
Chris Goodman. And what's the name of your shop?
Totally Bruce.
Nice. And where are you from?
Hudson, New York.
Oh, great. Closer to us. And what's your one piece of advice you would give to someone who's never been to Brimfield for what to expect?
If you love it, buy it right away.
Buy it right away. It's going to go fast.
Coming to the end of the day, and I'm a little nervous because I right now just want to buy everything and anything. But this screen I just came across, and I think I have to have this. I have never seen anything like this, and I just love all of these Art Deco nods, but it's also giving me like a little mid-century. The brass in between the screen panels is beautiful, and Barry, I think I need this.
Love it. Let's get it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do some convincing on Barry, but I love this chair. Super comfortable. I love the leather, and I also just like this solid wood back.
What's your name?
I'm Courtney.
Courtney, where are you from?
We are from Toronto. We are Bon Choice. Toronto, Canada. So we make the trip down here to Brimfield every May to sell. Yeah, we do collectible design.
How many years?
This is our third year officially.
And this is our first time at Brimfield, so do you have any
really?
words of wisdom for us?
Well, you got here on the best weather days so far, but it's really just patience, a lot of patience, good shoes, good appropriate weather wear. And just know that there's always something probably beyond in the next 10. You just got to put in those long days and long stuff.
Okay, so we had a very successful 2 days at Brimfield. We need to get out of here because we have already spent our budget. But
Actually, we went over our budget.
we went over our budget, surprise, surprise, but it was so worth it. And we just had the best time ever.
So like this video, send it to a friend, subscribe. Thank you so much, Barkeepers friends, for sending us to Brimfield for our first time. We really enjoyed it. We got to talk to so many people. It was such a good time. And
That was honestly my favorite part.
Yeah, it was really fun. Everyone we talked to had a Barkeepers friend story.
And make sure you're following us to see how we style all of these items, restore some items with Barkeeper's Friend, and we'll see you on the next video, everyone. Bye.
Bye.